Hello guys, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time of seeing this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and click on the notification button to get notified whenever I posted any video. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a free account on ChatGPT. How we can create a free account on ChatGPT. Alright, what is ChatGPT all about? ChatGPT is artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and is launched in November 2022. This ChatGPT allows you to have a human-like conversation. So ChatGPT helps to create stories, to create poems, to create ebooks, to create sales copy, to create everything. Alright, so we are going to learn how we can create or get free account on ChatGPT. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's go into business. Alright, so I'm going to use my Google Chrome. Alright, so what you search here is just search for ChatGPT. ChatGPT login. Alright, just search for this one on your Google Chrome or on your web browser. Alright, so then you click on OpenAI. Just click on this first link. Click on this first link. Alright, so when you click on this first link, okay, so now welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. Alright, so we have login and we have sign up. Because this is your first time of using ChatGPT, we are going to click on sign up. Alright, so just click on sign up. Just click on sign up because it's your first time of using ChatGPT. Alright, so here create your account. Please note that phone verification is required for sign up. Your number will only be used to verify your identity for security purpose. Alright, so you are going to enter your email address here. Alright, then you continue, or you can choose to continue with your Google. Yes, and here is continue with Microsoft account. Alright, so let me just put in my email address here. Alright, then you click on continue. Alright, so the next thing is to put in or to set in your password. Alright, so just put your password or enter your password here. Alright, then you click on continue. Just tap on continue. Alright, so here is please stand by while we are checking your web browser. What we are going to do here is to just click here, just click or check the marks box here. Alright, so when you click here, it's now verifying. It's verifying. Alright. Alright, so verify your email. We have sent an email to Jam Graphics. Okay, so they will send an email to the email account or the address that you use to sign up. Alright, so what we are going to do next is to go to our email. Alright, so this is the message. Alright, so OpenAI. Alright, so let me just click on it. So when we click on it, this is where we are going to verify our email account. Yeah. Alright, so we are going to verify our email address here. Okay, so to continue setting up your OpenAI account, please verify that this is your email address. Alright, so what you just do here is to click on verify email address. Verified email address. Alright, so just click on it and wait patiently. Alright, so here you tell us about you. So my name is Miao, then Justice. Alright, then we click on continue. Click on continue. Alright, this is where you are going to verify their phone number. Alright, so let me just input my consent code. Send code. Alright, so they are going to send me a code on the number that I just entered. Alright, so please enter the code that we just sent to you. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so this is the message. You are OpenAI. So let me just copy it. Alright, so we just copy it, then we just entered it in the space provided. Alright, so let's see how we are going to. Alright, so now this is the interface of the ChatGPT. Now this is the interface of the ChatGPT. Alright, so we have successfully created our ChatGPT account. Now we have successfully created our ChatGPT account. This ChatGPT can be used to create ebooks, can be used to create stories, can be used to create poems, can be used to write Ask Copy, Says Copy, and many more. In case this is your first time of seeing this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click on the notification button to get notified whenever I posted a new video like this. Once again, say I want to search who is Danlock. Who is Danlock? I'm asking ChatGPT who is Danlock. Alright, then I click here. Alright, so just click there. Okay, so when you click there, it's going to narrate all the information on Danlock. Alright, so let's see. Yes, this is the work of ChatGPT. This is very, very, very crazy. Alright, so it's going to narrate everything concerning Danlock. Alright, so let's read somewhere. So Danlock is sales expert. He's a Canadian entrepreneur, a business consultant, and author. He is best known for his expertise in digital marketing, particularly in areas of copywriting and sales. Alright, so whenever or anything that you want to ask this ChatGPT, you just write it here, then you search it here. Write it here, then you search it here. Alright, so let's say what is copywriting. Alright, then we click here. Alright, so now you see the magic of ChatGPT. Alright, so it's very, very amazing. I don't know the kind of adjective I should use for this ChatGPT. You know, it's very, very amazing. Alright, so let's see. Copywriting is the art of science writing words known as copy that persuade people to take a particular action. Copywriting is used in a wide range of contexts, from advertising and marketing to websites, content, and social media posts. Alright, so this is everything on copywriting. So whenever or anytime you want to search for anything online, you can come to ChatGPT, type it here or search it here, then we click here. It's going to generate anything concerning what we have searched or type in the space provided. Alright, so this is how we create a free account on ChatGPT. As I tell you earlier, ChatGPT can be used to create sales copy, can be used to write ebooks, can be used to write Ask Copy, can be used to do assignments. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to do assignments. ChatGPT can also be used to write poems, articles, anything. Alright, so this is how we create free account on ChatGPT. As I said earlier, in case this is your first time of watching or seeing this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click on the notification button to get notified whenever I posted a new video. See you in the next video.